Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tuscola County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Sanilac County in southeastern Michigan, northern Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mayville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage.
No.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mayville, Kingston, and Clifford around 11:45 a.m. North Branch around 11:50 a.m. Marlette around 11:55 a.m. Mound City around 12:10 p.m. Melvin around 12:20 p.m. Peck around 12:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Decker, East Dayton, Burnside, Watertown, Wilmette, Snover, Jewell, Elmer, Silverwood, and Valley Center. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Lapeer, Sanilac, and Tuscola. Here is the forecast for the Saginaw Valley. Rest of today,
That scared
freezing.
me.